Every woman is advised to observe all early pregnancy signs and symptoms before she approaches her doctor. These pregnancy symptoms are signals sent by your body to make you aware of the fertilization and development of fetus inside your womb. There is so many ways your body sends you signals as its reactions to drastic hormonal changes taking place inside your body. These reactions include significant changes in both mental and physical health. Though these changes bring joy by telling you that a new life is blooming within you, however, you should be prepared for a certain level of discomforts brought up by these symptoms. Check out all of the pregnancy symptoms, or early signs of pregnancy. Create a pregnancy journal or a pregnancy calendar to keep track of each symptom you undergo. Each symptom is potent enough to comprehend the fetus's development inside you. These signals can also make you aware of arousal of any pregnancy complications and help your doctor to take right step. Hence, to detect pregnancy, the first step would be to notice every change you feel in your body. If you are not sure if the symptoms are the symptoms of pregnancy, make a list of them in a pregnancy journal and approach your doctor. How to make a pregnancy journal. A pregnancy journal or pregnancy calendar must be updated every week. Take care not to miss a single symptom or advancement that speaks of progress or development of the fetus growing inside. In this regard, you can take help of the online weekly pregnancy calendars to keep trace of every stage of fetus's development. These calendars help mothers to make an entry of every sign of pregnancy they notice throughout the 9 months of journey toward childbirth. Now let us find out what are the possible early pregnancy signs and symptoms. Fatigue. Sudden onset of tiredness is one of the early pregnancy signs and symptoms. Havoc hormonal changes inside your body that supports your baby's development are to blame for this heightened level of tiredness. You may feel like taking a nap now and then and may make you feel having rest throughout the day. Fainting. You may faint or may undergo sudden feeling of dizziness. As per medical professionals, this is quite normal as the result of low blood pressure disorder caused during pregnancy. Spotting, bleeding. Due to implantation of the fertilized egg at the inner walls of the uterus, you might notice slight vaginal bleeding in the form of pinkish color. This bleeding accompanies slight abdominal pain. However, heavier pain and bleeding draws medical attention and signal pregnancy complications, therefore, call for your doctor immediately. Other very common early pregnancy signs and symptoms are nausea, high body temperature, increased discharge, etc. These are the very early symptoms of pregnancy. There is another phase of pregnancy expecting mothers should be aware of, that is, luteal phase. This phase marks the duration of 12 to 15 days from the ovulation. This is the most ripe period when the vaginal areas bears slightly higher temperature for promote fertilization. Women who are planning pregnancy must check out this phase. Women can also use this luteal phase symptoms, signs to detect early pregnancy, if the periods are still overdue even if the luteal phase passed. In order to understand the exact period of your luteal phase, carry out a blood tests or and take measurements of your hormonal levels.